Welcome to Post-COVID World, presenting lessons by Vaani Tutorial. Today's session covers welfare economy from the Class 9 CBSE revised syllabus. Like, comment, share, and subscribe Post-COVID World for more tutorials. Welfare economy focuses on social well-being rather than profit. It ensures social justice and protection for vulnerable groups. The government plays a key role in balancing growth with equality. Key objectives are social justice, equality, public welfare, etc. Social justice means fair distribution of wealth, for example, progressive taxation. Economic equality means reducing income gaps, for example, subsidies. Public welfare means providing essential services, for example, free education and healthcare. Employment generation means creating jobs, for example, MGNREGA. Sustainable growth means protecting environment, for example, renewable energy programs. Like, comment, share, and subscribe Post-COVID World for more tutorials. Social safety nets protect people from poverty, unemployment, and illness. Examples: pensions for elderly, food subsidies (PDS), health insurance for low-income families, unemployment benefits. Benefits: reduces poverty and inequality, improves health and education, promotes economic stability, encourages sustainable development. Role of government: redistribute income through taxes and subsidies. Provide public goods like roads, schools, hospitals. Regulate private sector to prevent exploitation. Ensure social security and employment. Promote education and healthcare for all. Thank you for joining us here on Post-COVID World, with lessons prepared by Vaani Tutorials. Keep learning, keep growing, and don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe Post-COVID World.